What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Back with another video, man. Hey, look, today, man, we're gonna see what's up with the SS. It's been about, I don't know, I say a year. It might not have been a year, but it's been a long time since we crunked the car, moved the car. We about to do that right now. And I also got a special unboxing in this video too. So we're gonna do both of them today. So look, this is what we got going on right now. I got the SS. Got the SS already let the hood down, finna open the garage. So we won't let all this smoke out or whatever, you know how it be. Garage a little junky, I gotta clean that out. That's the special unboxing right there also. Got both of them, man, so just hold tight. Let me set y'all up. All right, so yeah, let's see what's up. Got the garage door up. You know what I'm saying? SS, like I say, I already off the charger. Everything should be cool. Everything the same, everything plugged up, man. Let's see. I ain't let it all the way down, man. Let's see what's up. Been a long time, man. We're getting back in the move, back in the motion. I gotta vacuum it out. See, I got stuff just sitting in here. Let's see what's up. Let's see what we got. Hear that thing, that holly. Is it on? Okay, there we go. Everything on. I gotta get some gas. You see how low the gas is? That's how long it's been sitting. It was halfway. More done evaporate. Let's see though. Oh, crank up like a charm, boy. That volt meter off. That's why I kind of don't like this dash. That's off. Got more than 14 over here. I got 14.4. I get the 14.6, but yeah, got a straight line alternator. Yeah. Right now it's running. I'm gonna back it up, back it out to the what you call that? Back it out my driveway, man. So give me a second, dog, man. Let me back this mug out. Yeah, hold on. All right, we bagged that, man. Got a little pearl in the video, man. It need to be washed. The car is definitely dirty. The car definitely dirty, man. Got that pearl, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Do a little riding, man. I got, you know, small little stuff I need to do. But it definitely look alright, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's definitely dirty. Dirty. Look at that tire. That's how that more been sitting, man. But yeah, we're gonna see what's up. You know what I'm saying? Might pull it out, might hit the street. Windshield dirty. But yeah, it runs, man. As we see, it still runs. And I ain't gonna lie. One thing I can say about fuel injection, dog, I didn't have to pack no gas or none of that. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing you get with fuel injection. I ain't got to pack no gas. That mother just automatically, boom, come on. And you know, it is what it is with that. Hold tight. I got somebody pulling up to my house. Y'all give me 1 second. All right, my bad. We had delivery, but anyway, listen to that thing, man. I forgot it was like this. I forgot it be sounding like a little band under there. You hear me? Forgot all about that, man. I hadn't listened to my car in a long time, man. I don't care nothing about that tag. Anyway, I haven't listened to my car in a long time, bro. And yeah, I ain't know it was like that. I forgot. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, hold tight. Let me see something. Y'all hold right here. Let me see something. See if I can do a little something right quick. Hold on. As y'all can see, man, the car still run, bro. We're gonna get to the next part of this video, man. And yeah, so just to let y'all know, I did put this together myself. The people that's new here, just got here, I put this together myself, ground up. So I painted that, I put the parts on that, that's me, you feel me? And it's running. So I just want to put that out there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just hold tight, man. We're gonna go to the next part of this video, the unboxing. Stay tuned. Alright, cool. So it's unboxing today, man. Nice size box. You know, the stuff that's in here, man, we're gonna be able to, you know, go up to the next level if we trying to ride, you feel me? Down south, you definitely need this if you're trying to ride. If you're trying to ride down south, you need this. Now, I seen a few videos before. When I was thinking about doing this, I only had seen maybe 3 or 4 videos. I seen a couple more as time went on, but I still ain't really seen too many. So I'm just you know, y'all gonna see. I've been contemplating about this a long time. So it's a lot of boxes in little boxes. Box in a box. You know what I'm saying? But we'll just go ahead and see. I'm gonna just pop open the boxes, man, and go from there. But yeah, so I've been thinking about this for a long time. Okay, yeah. So once y'all see this, you'll kind of see what we got going on. All right, just gonna go on here and show y'all. You know what I mean? If I can get it out now. What this is yeah. Anybody that know what this is know what's going on. This is the evaporator, the blower. You got the heating and air in it, and we trying to get AC, man. You hear me? I can't be riding in no Monte Carlo. I'm gonna drive my car. You gotta have AC and heat, mostly AC. You know what I'm saying? So this is the blower, you know, with the so you can add your heat, yeah, cool and go through it and all that, blow heat in there. You know what I'm saying? I got this off of eBay. You can get them off Amazon, all that. 12 volt. This is the, I'll show you. I ain't gonna say what it is, but this the blower for it, man. This is not the one I'm gonna be using though, because I got one. I'll tell you about that later, but this is not the one I'm gonna be using, but this is the blower. So if you see that, you see we getting AC, man. A lot of people be riding these old school, they don't got no AC, no heat, you know what I'm saying? They ain't got nothing, you feel? But nah, I can't ride like that. I already had said that. I can't ride like that, man. If I ain't got no AC, I ain't trying to ride back like in the days when we ain't have AC. It's 2026, man, you get AC all kind of ways. Now I know a lot of people gonna say, oh, why you didn't get vintage there, blah, blah, blah. I don't want that. I don't want that. I didn't want to pay $2,000 and something for AC when it's a better way. And also, I don't have to use the compressor on the engine. I ain't got to use the belt dragging down, bringing down my energy. I'm gonna show y'all about that too. So, you know, yeah, we unboxing, man. Doing all that. This the fan. You got the fan right here. You got your condenser. But I'm gonna change fans because I know this fan already ain't hitting on nothing. This stuff I already know, but I'm gonna end up changing this fan. So we're gonna go for a better fan, get better airflow. You know what I'm saying? Just all this stuff, this comes when you're doing research. But anyway, for anybody out there who looking to do this, just get you a kit. It don't matter what kit you get, actually, and I'll tell you why. Because you're gonna change the blower out anyway. So as long as you get the kit that got all the parts in it, you should be good. That's what you need. That's what you need. You need all the parts. All right. So anyway, we're going on. We got the hoses. We got the hoses and the all the connections. You got your AC lines. They longer than a mug. Now I know some people cut them and get them, you know, fit for their car and all that. I will see, because if I don't, I'ma just have it hooked up and I'ma hide them. But either way it go, we getting AC, man. We getting AC, man. You feel me? We getting AC, bro. They be doing all that. We ain't doing that. But this the main part. This the part I want to show y'all right here. This what we doing. This what we going for. Right here, my boy. This right here. This what's gonna run it all. Anybody know about this? This is what we running. Electric compressor, the electric one. This is what be in these Teslas and all these electric cars, how they just run AC like this instantly. This what we running, man. Electric AC. The whole shebang, boy. We ain't playing. I've been waiting to do this for a minute. You know what I'm saying? After all that supercharger BS, I've been waiting to do this. So this is what we doing. We're gonna have AC in the SS, man. I need y'all to stay tuned. Drop a W in the comments for the win, man. This a win, bro. This a win for all of us. I'm waiting on the next. I'm waiting on the other blower I got that's gonna blow more air. I'm waiting on that. And a few other things, but this is a W, man. It came quick, dog. No Diddy. No Diddy. But it arrived here quickly. So yeah, we're gonna use this. New AC on the way, and we're gonna hit the street blowing cold air, man. We around blowing cold air, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be out here window down with a towel. We ain't doing that. So anyway, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notifications on. Hit the bell so you can be a part of that G.D.I.Y gang, you feel me? And hey, man, sometimes them shops get backed up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Now put that camera on my face.